Hey y'all, it's Julie the Tutor. We got some IV calculation problems somebody sent me. You ready? Okay. It says the nurse is preparing to administer digoxin 8 micrograms per kilogram per day. PO to divide equally every 12 hours for a preschooler who weighs 33. And then it's got available is digoxin 0.05 milligrams. Look at here. Milligrams is here. Micrograms is here. Did your butt just pucker? When you see that they're not the same last name, know in your heart you're going to have to convert it. But first, we got to convert that weight. So we're going to do 33 divided by 2.2. And that is going to be a solid 15 kilograms. That was sweet of them. And then we have to take these kilograms to this equation. It says 8 micrograms for every single kilogram. And look, we got 15 of them. And so we got to multiply 15 times 8 micrograms. So let's do it. Get your calculator and let's do it. It'll bring us closer, I believe. 120 micrograms. And this is per what? It's per day. You see that? So I always write it on my page so I remember where I'm at in the problem. And then it's got to be divided equally every 12 hours. There's 2 sets of 12 and 24. So we're going to divide this by 2. And that's going to give us the micrograms per dose. You see that? Lord help them see. He going to help y'all. Look hard. Divided by 2, and it's 60. 60 micrograms per dose. So this is the new dose ordered. I always say, Mr. Maine, the doctor, he was going to do his own equation and calculate it, but he got called to surgery. So here we are, doing his math for him again. And then that's all I'm going to say. So we have 60 micrograms, but what we have in our hand is milligrams, so we got to convert something. And you can convert. I always like to get rid of the decimal because the decimal will kill somebody. Milligrams and micrograms. So if we have 0.05 milligrams, and we have micrograms here, milligrams to micrograms, this tells you which way to move your decimal. You have to remember it's 3 places. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. We're going to drop them zeros. So this will now be 50 micrograms per milliliter. And let me show you. People always say, why 3 places? Because in the metric system, you see kilogram to gram. They have kilogram, hectogram, decagram, and a gram. But we don't deal in hecas and decas in medicine. So we have you go 1, 2, 3. And then like from grams to milligrams, you got decigram, histogram. We ain't dealing with deci and histo. So we go 1, 2, 3. You have to remember that. This will tell you which way to move it. Okay? So look, the new dose ordered is 60 micrograms. And what I have in my hand that now we know is micrograms is 50 micrograms. How does that 50 micrograms come per 1 milliliter? And then we're going to do the math. You see we've put the last name. If she wants to see your work, tell her, put her glasses on. Look at here. And then we're doing the math. This fraction and all fractions on the planet say the top number divided by the bottom. So that's how we're going to key it in. 60 divided by 50 equals. And then we multiply it times 1, and it's still going to be that. So the answer is 1.2 milliliters. What in the world is beeping? So the answer is 1.2. You see that? Okay. Phone's off the hook. All right, here we go. You ready? Okay, get a sip of your beverage, because I know that was a lot. And let's like this video. Take a moment. Just reach over there, right beside it, and just hit like. Maybe hit the little comment thing and put a heart, or we saved him, you know. Share it with your classmates, or you know, your friends back from your childhood. It really helps a girl out. Okay.